Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we'll explore how a grocery store handles taxed and non-taxed items. In some countries, such as the UK and the United States, certain items like meat, milk, and vegetables are tax-exempt. So how do we set this up in Poshier? First, navigate to Settings and then Sales Tax. Let's start by creating a VAT for products that are taxed at 20%. Click the New button, then select Basic Tax. Enter the name and the rate and click Save to create the tax. Next, let's create a tax-exempt item. Again, click the New button and select Basic Tax. Enter VAT 0% and set the percentage to 0. Click Save. Now we have two tax items for your products. Let's go to the catalog and choose a tax-exempt product, like broccoli. Scroll down to the tax section and click the blue button on the right. Select the VAT 0% item and then click Save. Next, let's select a product with VAT, such as a soft drink. Choose VAT 20% from the list and click Save. Now let's verify everything by going to the POS section and adding these items to an order. First, add broccoli to the order. As you can see, VAT 0% is applied, so the tax is 0. Next, let's add Coca-Cola to the order. Now VAT 20% is applied. Finally, let's check out this order and review the reports. Now go to Reports, select the sales report, and then tap Run. Here you'll see a record showing the total amount of tax collected. Additionally, in the tax report, both taxes are displayed along with their taxable amounts and the total tax collected. And there you have it. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe our videos. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.